Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on that Beamer here, BMW E90. And we're going to show you how to replace the phone control arms on that thing. They're completely short, a lot of play. We got both of them, left and right. The procedure is identical for both sides. We'll demonstrate on the driver's side today guys, so you can see how we do it. Okay, those are the parts. That's the 4-wheel drive 328xi. So it's a little bit different suspension. That's cast iron. That's pretty heavy, as you can see. Those bushings on ours are short. You can replace the bushings only, but the whole thing is not much more expensive, so we just didn't mess with it and got that thing. So we're gonna take the tire off now, and we'll show you where exactly that piece is located there. Okay guys, so as you can see, that's the suspension right here, and that's the control arm with the bushing. This thing is completely short. We're gonna spray the bolt a little bit with a penetrating oil WD-40 so we can get them loose. Okay, I don't know if you can see, the bushing is short on that thing, so we need to take it off now and replace it. Okay, we're gonna remove that bolt for that cover there because it's a little bit in the way. You can go ahead and remove the whole thing on the bottom. It's not too complicated. I think it has only 2 or 3 more. We're gonna leave it like that though. Now with the 24mm socket, okay, we're gonna take that nut off, which is super tight. Okay, it came loose. And we're gonna cheat and see if we can do it with a little impact, because it takes forever that way. Okay, right there. We got that nut out of there. Okay, came loose. We got it out of there now, out of the joint, and now we have only the one on the back. You can see all the play we have in it. It shouldn't be like that. Alright guys, now with an 18mm. Okay, we're gonna take that thing off. One is 18, 119 I think. Oh, both are actually 18s. And it's a little bit inconvenient, but it'll take a while to take the nut off, but you just get it loose. Unless you lose the tools like we do. Okay, got loose. Now we can do it by hand, and now we need to get the bolt out. So if you wiggle it a little bit to get loose, otherwise we might have to use the ratchet. Okay, we're gonna use a screwdriver to pry it out of there. It's a little bit tight here guys, but and it's hitting a little bit on the fender liner there. So we actually have to remove that nut there for the fender underliner, because we cannot get the bolt. It's hitting there a little bit. So we'll need to figure out what else we need to do so we can get a little bit of room and actually push it to the back so we can get it out of there. So we actually have to remove that nut there for the fender underliner because we cannot get the bolt, it's hitting there a little bit. So we'll need to figure out what else we need to do so we can get a little bit of room and actually push it to the back so we can get it out of there. So 3 more on the bottom with 8mm socket. Let's see what else is falling. And now one with a 10 that we have there. Okay, and you can see that piece is out. Unfortunately, we have to do a little bit extra work, but otherwise we will not be able to pull it out. And again with a 10mm. Nuts. Okay, one bolt here that was loose somehow. Okay, and we can fold it actually like that and we can get the bolt out now. Okay, you can see it came out pretty easy. It's a little rusty, we need to clean it. Okay, and that's the old control arm, guys, right here. Okay, that's the old one. You can see how easy it moves, quite a bit of play there. And the new one is really tight. There is a difference between left and right, so if you're replacing only one, we recommend both, but right here, you need to make sure you get the one that corresponds to the side that you need. Okay, now we just put it back together in reverse order, guys. You install it there, and now we need to do the bolt. We're gonna spray the bolt a little bit because it's rusty. Okay, so we're gonna get it there now. Okay, you can see we got it in, and now we need to install the nut, get this one tight. We're gonna wait for the nut to get it tight until we install this one here as well, so it's in the position that it needs to be, otherwise you might put too much stress on the bushing. And that ball joint there is replaceable as well, so it's good to inspect those before you purchase the part so you can replace it easy. And now we can go ahead and get those tight. This one on the bottom was with a 24mm socket. And we're gonna make sure it's tight by hand because that little impact is not enough. It just saves us some time to screw it on the ball. Okay, and we just need to get the one there tight, install the fender liner, guys, and that will be the whole procedure, not very complicated. Hopefully the video was helpful, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.